is getting a little ground on him. Harrison trying to fight the traffic. Got an open spot. To chase Lusk down. One ball out of Lusk, and Harrison's going to be right there. And there it is again. Lusk committing to the double. Lusk gets wrapped up.